Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to log your mood on the Breeze application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the home button down below, and after that you should scroll down to the average mood section and tap on log your mood at the bottom. After that you should add the note and then select your mood on this scale, ranging from unhappy to happy. After that you can select or add your feelings, tap on the plus icon, and here you can find two categories, positive and negative emotions, so tap on the relevant ones that you feel and then click on the save button. After that you can set your activities, you can add pictures that recaptures the atmosphere around you, so here you can select from your library, and if you are done, click on the safeguard button down below. So as you can see, your mood has been added to this mood board or to this chart. It will be analyzed so you can keep track of it. That's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.